Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload image in Laravel 5.8 with progress bar using Ajax jQuery. We have already discussed how to upload image in Laravel 5.8 framework in CRUD tutorial series. But there are many viewers has requested us to publish upload file with progress bar in Laravel 5.8. So, here we have published this video tutorial, in which we have step-by-step describe how to upload image with progress bar in Laravel 5.8 application with Ajax and jQuery. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our Laravel 5.8 framework working folder. First we want to make controller. So, we have go to command prompt, and write this command. This command will make file upload controller folder of Laravel 5.8 directory. Now we have go to controller folder, and open file upload controller. Under this class, first we have make index method, which is root method of this class. Under this method, we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write file upload. It will load file upload view file in browser. Now we have go to view folder and open file upload.blade.php file. Under this file we have used jQuery library, Bootstrap library, and for submit form we have use jQuery form library. Under this file, we have create one form. So here we have write form tag with method is equal to post, action attribute is equal to Laravel expression, and under this we have write root method with upload, and for upload file, here we have write encryption type is equal to multi-part form data. Under this form, first we have write at the rate CSRF expression. This is for prevent cross-site repository forgery attack. After this for select image, here we have write input type is equal to file, name and ID attribute is equal to file. For upload file, here we have write input type is equal to submit, name and value is equal to upload. In this tutorial, for progress bar we have used Bootstrap library, so here we have write division tag, with class is equal to progress, which is default class for progress bar. Under this tag, we have create another division tag, with class is equal to progress bar, role is equal to progress bar. In this tag, we have add aria value now tag is equal to blank value, aria value minimum tag is equal to 0, and aria value max tag is equal to 100. Here we have define the progress bar minimum and maximum value. For progress bar process, here we have write style tag, with width property set to 0%. So, when this property value increase progress bar will be process. For display upload process in upload, here we have write 0%. Below this, we have create one more division tag, with ID is equal to success. Under this we will display uploaded image, with success message. Now we have moved to write jQuery code for submit form data using jQuery form plugin. So here we have write $with form tag selector with Ajax form method. This method will submit form data to server script using jQuery form plugin. Under this, first we have write before send callback function. This function has been called before submit form data. Under this first we have write division tag ID success with empty method. It will clear this field data. After this, we have write upload progress callback function with 4 argument like event, position, total, and percentage upload complete. This function will return upload progress data. Under this, we have write $with division tag class progress bar with text method, and under this we have write %complete argument. It will display upload process in percentage in progress bar. For display progress bar process with upload process, so here we have write $with progress bar with CSS method with 2 argument. In first argument, we have write width property, and in second argument we have write width property value percentage complete. It will display progress bar process. After this, we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, first we have write if statement, and under condition we have write data errors. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $with progress bar class with text method, and under this we have write 0%. It will display 0% on progress bar. After this, we have write $with progress bar class with CSS method, and under this we have write width property set to 0. It will reset progress bar with 0% process. For display upload error, here we have write $with division tag ID success with HTML method, and under this we have write data.errors. It will display upload error on web page. Now we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write data.success. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $with progress bar class with text method, and under this we have write uploaded. This text will be seen on progress bar. After this, we have write $with progress bar class with CSS method, and under this we have set width property set to 100%. Now we want to display success message, so here we have write with division tag ID success with HTML method, and under this we have write data.success. It will display success message. Lastly, we want to display uploaded image, so here we have write with division tag ID success with append method, and under this we have write data.image. It will display uploaded image. Now we have moved to file upload controller, and here we have create upload method with request argument. This method will receive request for upload file. First we want to validate form data, so here we have write use statement with validator. Here we have used this class for form data validation. Now we have go to upload method, and here we have write $rules variable is equal to array, in key we have write file, and in value we have write validation rules like required, image and maximum image size 2048. This validation rules will check, file must be required for submit form data, selected file must be an image, and image size must be less than equal to 2048 byte. After this here we have write, $error variable is equal to, validator class with make method, under this method we have write, $request variable with all method, and in second argument we have write $rules variable. Here this make method of validator class will create new instance of validation. If there is any validation error occur then it will store under $error variable. Below this, we have write if statement and under condition, we have write $error variable with fails method. This condition will be true, if form data fails any validation rules. Under this block, we have write return statement, with response method with JSON method. This JSON method will transform resource into an HTTP response in the form of JSON. Under this method, we have write array with key errors with value get from, $error variable with errors method with all method. Here it will fetch all validation error, and store under errors key, which will be sent to Ajax request. But suppose there is no any form validation error occur, then code will continue execute code, and here we have write $image variable is equal to $request variable with file method, with file tag name image. So here we have store selected file under this $image variable. Now we want to generate new image name, so here we have write $new name variable is equal to PHP random function with $image variable with get client original extension method. This method will return original file extension. This code will generate new image name. For upload image, here we have write $image variable with move method. This method will move file to a new location. Under this method, we have write public path method. This method will return public folder path, and under this we have write images folder name. In second argument we have write $new name variable. This code will upload selected file into images folder of Laravel public folder. After uploading image, now we have write $output variable is equal array. In first key we have write success, and in value we have write message like image uploaded successfully. In second key, we have write image, and in value we have write image tag and source attribute we have write images folder / new name variable. It will display uploaded image. Now for send response to Ajax request in JSON format, here we have write return statement with response method with JSON method. under this method we have write $output variable. This method will send response to Ajax request in JSON format. This time it will send success response to Ajax request. Lastly, we want to set root for index and upload method, so we have go to roots folder, and open web.php file. Under this, we have write root class with get method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write file upload, and in second argument we have write file upload controller at the rate index. So, when in browser we have write base URL / file upload, then it will called index method of this file upload controller. After this, we have write root class with post method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write file upload / upload, and in second argument we have write file upload controller at the rate upload. So, now when this file upload / upload URL has been hit, then it will called upload method of file upload controller. After this, we have add name method, and under this we have write upload. This method has been used for add or change root name. Now here our code is ready. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we have enter base URL / file upload. Then on web page, we can see simple form for select image from local computer, and submit button. First we want to check validation, so here we have directly click on submit button. After click on submit button, then on web page we can see validation message like, file is required. Now we have again click on file tag, and select file from computer, and click on submit button. After click on submit button, we can see error message like selected file is not image, so here validation working properly. Now we have select image from computer, and click on submit button. After click on submit button, then on web page we have progress bar process, and after complete upload process. On web page we can see upload success message on web page, and below message we can see uploaded image also. So, this way we can implement upload image with progress bar in Laravel 5.8 application by using Ajax jQuery and Bootstrap library. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.